Okay, welcome to another video on calculating the area under a normal curve. I'm using empirical values. So this one asks us to find the percentage of values that lie between 116 and 171. So that goes from here, 116, to 171, which is right here. And so it's a matter of adding up the 13.5%, 34%, 34%, 13.5%, and 2.35%. So again, we don't need to put in the percent signs. We know that there's a percent sign already in the answer. So we need to add those values up. Notice there's 13.5 occurs twice, so I can write 13.5 and just go times 2. And then I have 34 that occurs twice, so plus 34, which occurs twice, times 2, or you can, if you're doing that in your head, is 68. And then finally, that covers those 4, and then the 2.35. So we add those 5 values up, and we get a total of 97.35%, that would be. Now, notice that we've got the part B here, is to find the percentage of values that lie below 149. So 149 is right here. So two ways of doing this is we could add all these numbers, the 234s, the 13.5, 2.35, and 0.15, all those percents, or we could just take these three values and subtract them from 100 because 100% of the values lie underneath this curve. And so we have 100 minus, we can do minus 13.5, minus the 2.35, and minus the 0.15. And that should give us the same result, or the result for that. That would be 84. Now, I'll show you an even faster way of doing this. That is, since the normal curve is split into two equal parts, symmetrical, this half, of course, is 50%. So we don't really need to add all those 4 values on the left-hand side, because these 4 values should all add up to 50%. And so from 149 below, we should be able to add 34%, plus 50%, which you could probably just do that in your head, right? 34 plus 54, or plus 50, sorry, not 54. Plus 50 is 84, so that's 84% that way as well. So there's just a couple ways to do that. There's actually a third way to do it, and that is you can subtract these 3 from 100. So you can take 100% minus, and then group those 3, 13.5, so you put these all in parentheses, add them up, 2.35 and 0.15. You'd add all those and say, oh, everything under the curve, since it's 50 on one side and 50 on the other, 100%, and these 3 we're taking away, so that gives us 84 as well. Well, any way you want to do that, that will work. I hope you found this video helpful.